get to some practical stuff. We talked about pretty and we talked about the sun patience. We talked about relaxing in the chair. Now, Sean Pickford, let's get some stuff done with a all-in-one tool, right?
Yeah, 3-in-1 actually. So you got the blower that you're seeing here. You got the vac and mulcher that you're seeing here. Then we have the awesome gutter attachment.
I don't know about the gutter attachment. I got to hear about this.
The gutter attachment's really cool, and we'll show you that one in a second. But that, to me, saves you getting on the ladder or climbing up on the roof and then realizing I shouldn't be up on the roof leaning over the gutters to clean them out.
Yeah.
So it's really awesome.
Totally get it. So number one, I get the blower story. You want to start there? Where do you want to start here?
Yeah, let's start with the blower. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's a corded blower, so any extension cord's going to work. All right, you just plug this guy in. Now, I have one of the tubes on here. I could put multiple tubes because you get multiple tubes with the set. So I can turn it on. There's 2 settings. This is low. All right, nice and powerful on low. Now watch on high. I can stand back here and blow all those leaves from this far away.
Well, I got to tell you, you get a corded one, you're always going to have more power with corded.
Yeah. So I can create 150-mile-an-hour wind speed, or I can tone it down and then turn it off. So cord keeper built in here, so it's not going to come unplugged accidentally on you. And again, you can put different lengths of tubing on here. I have the 1 tube nozzle on here. Now, we're going to go over here to the gutter.
By the way, that is worth it for the blower for $69.99.
Right. So
if that's all it did, it's worth it because this is a clearance price, normally $97, because now we're going on to phase 2 here.
So now,
oh, this is a great idea.
All right, so you can see the tubes that I have on here. So you get 4 tubes. I only have 3 of them on here because I measured it out for reach. This clicks into place. All right, now I'm going to clean my gutters, Rick, and look where I'm standing. My feet are on the ground. All right?
Wow.
So I can turn it on low.
Brilliant, brilliant idea.
So I can really fire it up.
Brilliant.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
All right, any stuff up on the roof?
I love that.
All right, and notice I can just walk along and blow the gutters clean, and my feet are on the ground.
I'm telling you, that's just great. No massive ladder that you're on.
No.
Even if you had the 2-step ladder, if you need a little more height, we got that coming up with a little giant later. That's great.
And I
so
could
that's
do it,
yet another tool.
It's less than 5 pounds, so I could do it one-handed if I want. All right, I'm getting about, 10 feet here. With the other tube, I can go 13 feet up.
Wow.
Without having to be on that ladder and just walk along and blow those gutters clean.
So the things on the ground, the blower, the gutter blower is phase 2, and now we're just getting started.
Yeah, so now we're going to go over to the vacuum and the mulcher. So a lot of people say, well, all right, I got stuff laying around the driveway or down in the yard or wherever it might be, and maybe you got those window sills where it collects all the debris and stuff like that.
Got it.
You don't want to get down on your hands and knees. So this guy here, same piece of equipment, okay? We just reconfigured it a little bit. So you're getting everything with it. 13-gallon pickup bag that I have here. So this was the blower part here. I clicked my bag onto here. These tubes are included. Now I click this into the mulcher part of this vacuum, okay?
So this is going to mulch this up?
Yeah, so it's going to turn it down to 1/16 of its original size.
There's a grinder in there.
There's a grinder.
Wow.
So there's a metal grinder in there. And again, 2 speeds, so I can turn it on low. So watch, even on low, look at the sawdust. It picks that up before I even get to it. Now watch, on high.
It's a yard vacuum. It's a garage vacuum.
Yeah, look at that. All right, really fast. And
But it's not just going to suck it up. It's going to suck it up and grind it up.
That's how heavy the suction is, okay?
Can I try that?
Sure.
What do we got to do?
All you got to do is basically turn this little switch on and push it forward like a vacuum.
Boy, that suction is unbelievable.
Right? Feel the power.
Oh, my God.
That's all you got to do.
By the way, it's on wheels. So I don't even have to hold it at a certain distance.
Right.
So can I do the leaves?
Yeah, go ahead.
Look at how powerful that is. Now all that's being ground up into this bag. Okay, that's mind-blowing. So this, by the way, that is really powerful. It's 5 units of $14. All that's been ground up into there?
Yeah, it grounds it up into the bag here. It turns it down to 1/16 of the size. So there's a zipper on the bag that you can open up. We'll just show you what this looks like here. So watch.
By the way, if you want to break this down, it's a 3-in-1. Look at that. That's
We
great.
even sucked up one of our
That's
fake leaves.
$23
All
per
right, but
tool.
Look how fine this is. And you know what this is? This is the best fertilizer you never have to buy. Why?
Doggone.
Because you spread that back into your flower
Just by
beds
picking
and
up the leaves.
Just by picking up the leaves.
$1,400 remaining. Clearance price $2,300 for a mulcher. $23 for a mulcher, $23 for a blower, and then this brand new, this is the gutter cleaner, $23 for that one as well. Clearance price, no reorder on this. One great color, not 16 colors, and this has never been this price before.
No.
First time ever at this price. It's M94874. If you're just joining us at noon right now, maybe you're watching what's going on television, and there's a lot going on. You're just joining us. This is QVC. We're in the midst of a home and garden event. We're at the top of the hour. Today's special value is awesome. This is from a company called Sunjo, and it's never been this price before. And because it's QVC, you get more, don't you?
Yeah, so you get a 4-year warranty on this kit. Normally we give everything a 2-year warranty here on QVC, but you get the protection plus 2, meaning you get an additional 2 years. So think about that. We sell a cordless blower for this price. All right, you're getting these 3 tools that do so much more.
Couldn't agree
and
more.
Still get the 4-year warranty
And
with
cordless
everything.
is great, yeah, for $70 just for the blower, but it will not mulch. And
No.
this actually has more power, and now you've got this overhead storage. So how many of these attachments am I getting here? Tell me that.
So this
what
is
am I getting?
This is your blower attachment.
Got
so
it.
that's going to go on here.
Pops on.
Okay. Then you're going to get, this is your gutter attachment. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces there. This allows me to reach 13 feet above my head without getting on a ladder to clean off those gutters.
Do these come apart?
These all come apart.
So
they
I can
twist
store it.
apart. You could store
Great,
it. I
great.
usually leave them together and just hang it somewhere in the garage or the shed just like that.
Okay.
You can also put 1 or 2 of those sections on the pole here if you want it a little bit longer just to blowing the leaves that are in your yard. So you can do that. Then this is your attachment here that turns into your vacuum and mulching tube. So it sucks it up through the bottom of the tube here, goes into the bottom of the unit where there's an impeller. So in here, we have an impeller that allows you...
What's an impeller? That the mulcher?
Yeah, see the metal blades?
So that's the grinder.
See the metal teeth
that's
on
great.
there?
That's the grinder.
So you make it a stone, you make it an acorn
Man.
or a stick, doesn't matter. Because of that metal blade in there, we
Got
chew it
1,200
up.
remaining. Can we let's blow and then let's do the whole thing.
All right.
Oh man, come on. We only got a minute. Here we go. I want to make sure that we can grind some more.
You
'Cause
wanna
that's
grind some
unbelievable.
more?
I want to
All
do
right.
that. That
We can-
grinder is unbelievable.
We can suck up the stuff that we just have right here.
Can you do anything over here?
All
Or is
right.
that's full leaves?
Yeah,
Okay.
so, I mean, again, just turn that on and you run it like a vacuum cleaner. All right, back and forth. So,
Yard vacuum cleaner.
I can go fast, I can go slow, side to side, doesn't matter where I want. All right, we can do that. If you hold this, I'll go grab some more leaves for you if you want.
By the way, this normally is $100. It breaks down to $23 a tool, and they all store easily. You plug it in, and when you plug it in,
Now
man,
you go
look
to
out.
town. All right,
This
so
is real leaves here. This is like
that's the real deal.
And we'll show you the after of what this becomes. I've never used this before.
Right, and that's low speed.
Where's the high?
Push it down one more.
No, I just boom. Well, look out, man. That's incredibly powerful. That's incredibly powerful. Okay, can you show what we just did, Mr. Pickford?
Yeah, so then I can even take the bag off so you can see here.
Okay.
All right, you push
That
that
just
pin
pops
in.
off. Watch
There's
this.
a little zipper right on here. All right,
I mean, you're going to push a whole yard in there.
13-gallon bag. All right, look.
That's
look how fine that is.
wild.
Look, that's those leaves that Rick just cleaned up. Look
That is
how
crazy. That's sawdust.
Well,
You can
that's-
use that as mulch now.
You could spread it back over
Potting
your
soil.
lawn, anything. This is the best fertilizer, again, you're never going to have to buy.
Wow.
Just mulch it up with this and use it.
So once again, the last 30 seconds, it'll blow, it'll mulch, it'll grind, and now it's going to be the gutter cleaner as well.
It does all of it, and it does a fantastic job, and it has that 4-year warranty. You can't beat it.
M94874, about 1,000 remaining. You're liking it. 5C Payments, by the way, is your friend here. $14. Thank you so much, Sean.
Thanks, Rick. Good to
Great
see you.
job. Great item. We had a today only price to start out the show. 3,500 people are shopping. Now, there's only 4 colors in this. One of them a red, one's a green, one's a black, one's a blue in M93231. That is the ultimate innovations. By the way, today's special value, one-time only value, and then the launch of a big deal.